A woman is at home when she hears someone knock at the door. She goes to the door and opens the door to see a man standing there. He asks the woman, "Do you have a vagina?" She slams the door in disgust. The next morning, she hears a knock at the door, and it is the same man, and he asks the same question. "Do you have a vagina?" She slams the door again. Later that night, when her husband gets home, she tells him what has happened for the last 2 days. The husband tells the wife, in a loving and concerned voice, "Honey, I am taking tomorrow off to be home just in case this guy shows up again." The next morning, they hear a knock at the door, and both run for the door. The husband says to the wife in a whispered voice, "Honey, I'm going to hide behind the door and listen. And if it is the same guy, I want you to answer yes to the question because I want to see where he is going with it." She nods yes to her husband and opens the door. Sure enough, the same fellow is standing there and asks the same question. "Do you have a vagina?" "Yes," she says. The man replied, "Good. Would you mind telling your husband to leave my wife's alone and start using yours?" What do you think will happen next? Drop your comments.